indie game developers. We're the underdogs of the gaming world, turning passion into pixels, right? What if I told you there's a new player in town that's threatening to take your job? Artificial intelligence. It's efficient, it's powerful, and it's growing faster than anyone imagined. But is it really killing indie game development jobs? Or could it be the best thing that's ever happened to us? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to see the shocking truth. AI can now write game scripts, design stunning art, and even code playable levels. Tools like Unity's AI can create entire environments in a single click. Hell, AI can even optimize your monetization strategy. So it sounds amazing, right? But here's where things get tricky. Some devs are worried. Why spend years honing your skills when an AI can do the same thing in a few seconds? Does this mean fewer opportunities for indie devs? Or does it mean fewer indie devs altogether? For some, AI is a tool, a magic wand to help them work faster and smarter. But for others, it's the Grim Reaper, stealing jobs and creativity. One dev even told me, why would players even care about my handcrafted pixel art when an AI can spit out something 10 times better in less than an hour? That's real frustration, my friends. But is it valid? Here's the flip side. Some indie devs are actually thriving thanks to AI. Take Project Nexus, a game made by a solo dev using AI for 80% of the assets. Or AI Odyssey, which earned 6 figures in its first month of release. Some devs would say AI has actually leveled the playing fields. Could AI actually save indie game development by making it more accessible? Could you use AI to create your dream game without even hiring a team? Hang on, because it's about to get even more controversial. Here's where things get tricky. Some say AI is stealing ideas from human artists. It's trained on our work. Imagine spending months on an original character design, only to see an AI tool create something eerily similar in a few seconds. Is that fair? Is that even legal? And if AI keeps learning from us, doesn't that mean indie devs are essentially training something that could eventually replace them? But hold on for a second. What if I told you there's an even bigger twist to the story? Here's the truth that nobody ever wants to talk about. AI is not killing jobs. The lack of adaptation is. AI isn't the enemy. It's a tool, just like Photoshop was for artists and Unity is for game developers. The devs who thrive are the ones that learn to wield it. Ultimately, the choice isn't between AI or no AI. The choice is whether you evolve with the industry or get left behind. So, is AI killing indie game dev jobs? No, but it is killing the old way of doing things. It's shaking up the industry, and some people won't make it through the storm. But for those who adapt, there's never been a more exciting time to be a game developer. Now, here's what I want you to do. Leave a comment below. Are you scared of AI or excited? And if you want to learn how to turn AI into a secret weapon, then I suggest joining my free community by clicking the link in the description below. And hey, if you're still watching, you're already ahead of the game. So keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and peace out.